Hi there! So finally, after waiting for months, Xiaomi has launched its new Mi TVs, the Mi TV Horizon Edition. A lot of buzz has been around this device and I can understand why. Mi TVs have changed the way we looked at smart TVs. Good quality with budget pricing. They started it, literally. So has Xiaomi repeated the same with the Horizon Edition? Well, let's find out. I'll be sharing everything with you from the price, to the specs, to the availability, and if you should consider buying this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So, I'd made a video when the Horizon Edition Mi TVs were announced on Twitter, what we can expect and what I'd predicted was in store. Turns out my predictions were spot on. No QLED TVs, no OLED TVs, in fact, no 4K TVs either. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but actually I too was hoping for more. Coming to today's launch, for starters, the new Horizon Edition is an incremental update from its predecessors. The biggest change is thinner bezels. Not something new, but it was high time Xiaomi upped their game. The name Horizon Edition comes from the Mi Notebook Horizon Edition, which also features the high screen-to-body ratio with thin bezels. The Horizon Edition TV will be available in two sizes, 32-inch and 43-inch. Let's have a look at the specs. The 32-inch has an HD resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, while the 43-inch has a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Both are running the latest Android TV 9 OS along with my favorite Patchwell 3.0. Along with Android comes an array of apps from the Google Play Store. Netflix, Prime Videos, Hotstar, the works. Both have 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. I so wish both of these were more. 3 HDMI ports, out of which one is HDMI ARC. Also 2 USB-A ports, 3.5 audio headphone jack, AV composite input and Ethernet. Both come with Bluetooth 4.2 so you can connect your Bluetooth wireless headphones. Only single band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 20 watt stereo speaker with DTS HD support. It comes with built-in Chromecast so you can cast videos, pictures, music from your phone to the TV. No confirmation about Miracast, but I'm assuming it will be on board considering now even older Mi TVs have received it with an update. However, I can confirm only once we have the device in hand. Apart from the slimmer bezels, the internals seem to be exactly the same as the previous Mi TVs. Even the remotes are the same, which is a good thing. Remotes have the same minimalistic design with Netflix and Prime Video's hotkeys. Even Google Assistant button for quick voice search. No mute button yet though. Maybe someday Xiaomi will listen. Mi Quick Wake is a new added feature which wakes up the TV from standby in 5 seconds, which is really good considering that all Mi TVs take a very long time to boot. Great job. I hope we see this on the other Mi TVs with an update. Other feature that isn't new but very helpful is the data saver mode. It comes very handy when you're streaming content using a mobile data hotspot. With this enabled, you can stream 3 times more data compared to your Wi-Fi connection. Also data alerts, which helps you decide how much data should be consumed. Again, nothing new but very helpful. Coming to the price. The 32-inch Horizon Edition HD Ready Mi TV is priced at 13,499 and the 43-inch Horizon Edition Full HD Mi TV is for 22,999. So, what do you think? Well, to tell you frankly, I expected something more. A lot more actually. The price is fine, maybe a little higher on the 32-inch, but more than the pricing, I think we wanted something more. Bigger sizes with slimmer bezels, better hardware, or even QLED TVs. The Horizon Edition Mi TVs are in no way bad, but just not exciting enough. So should you buy these? Well, now you have many TVs in this price and probably even tad cheaper. But there is one reason to consider the Mi TV Horizon Edition, and that's Patchwell. It's undoubtedly the biggest pro of the Mi TV now, and trust me, it's a big one. Especially on how well it has been optimized and how evolved it is in the last few years. If I had a choice to have the Google Play Store and all the apps on Patchwell, I wouldn't need the Android TV OS. Live news, kids board, universal search, and the content presentation, it's a visual delight. Rest we can only know more about its performance and display quality once we get our hands on them, and I promise you that will be soon. The 32-inch Mi TV Horizon Edition will be going on sale on 11th of September at 12 PM on Flipkart and Mi.com. The 43-inch will be going on sale on 15th of September at 6 PM on Amazon.in and Mi.com. I'll leave the links in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know what are your views on the Horizon Edition. I would love to read them. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.